Creating lasting value for clients is the cornerstone of sustainable business success, requiring a strategic, client-centric approach that seamlessly integrates innovation, expertise, trust, and long-term relationship building. True value is not derived from isolated transactions but from an unwavering commitment to delivering measurable impact, fostering loyalty, and driving business growth for clients. Companies that excel in value creation deeply understand their clients' industries, objectives, and pain points, allowing them to craft tailored, high-impact solutions that enhance operational efficiency, profitability, and competitive positioning. This begins with active listening and comprehensive market research, ensuring that solutions are not just relevant but proactively aligned with the client's evolving needs. Businesses that differentiate themselves as true partners, rather than mere service providers, focus on delivering holistic, forward-thinking strategies that drive long-term success. A critical element of sustainable client value is continuous innovation and proactive problem-solving. Companies must anticipate industry trends, leverage cutting-edge technologies, and refine their service offerings to stay ahead of client expectations. Utilizing data-driven insights, predictive analytics, and business intelligence, organizations can provide customized solutions that maximize efficiency and drive measurable results. Agility and adaptability are essential in a rapidly evolving business landscape, ensuring that solutions remain scalable, flexible, and future-proof. Businesses that embrace digital transformation, automation, and AI-driven efficiencies position themselves as indispensable partners, consistently delivering superior value. Beyond technology and strategy, personalized engagement and deep relationship management are the foundations of lasting client loyalty. Businesses that prioritize meaningful interactions, transparency, and responsiveness cultivate trust, setting the stage for repeat business, referrals, and long-term partnerships. A value-driven organization fosters a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring that client relationships evolve beyond basic service delivery to strategic collaboration. Through high-touch communication, customized solutions, and ongoing consultation, companies position themselves as trusted advisors who contribute to their clients' sustained success. This consultative approach not only builds credibility but also strengthens the emotional and professional connection between the client and service provider. Financial transparency, ethical business practices, and an unwavering focus on quality and tangible outcomes further solidify a company's value proposition. Businesses that can articulate their impact through data-backed success stories, case studies, and ROI-driven metrics establish themselves as leaders in their field, fostering confidence and long-term commitment from clients. Companies that go beyond expectations by providing strategic insights, thought leadership, and dedicated after-service support distinguish themselves in competitive markets. Ultimately, creating lasting client value requires an organization-wide commitment to excellence, adaptability, and relentless customer success. By aligning business objectives with client goals, leveraging innovative solutions, and demonstrating an unwavering commitment to results, companies create a distinct competitive edge that enhances client retention, fuels word-of-mouth referrals, and cements long-term market leadership. The future belongs to businesses that prioritize client-centric innovation, measurable impact, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, transforming short-term engagements into enduring, value-rich partnerships.